Hello. Welcome to my channel, and today we are here in Santa Rita community in Liberty Hill. We're going to be touring this beautiful model home built by Coventry builders. This is called the Goodrich C model. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as you enter in this hallway, you'll see a very open space, and right here on your right hand side there is a full bathroom and also a additional bedroom right here on your first floor. Nice big windows, lots of sunlight coming in. I love the wall decoration. And this one has a closet, a normal closet, not a walk-in closet. And then as you walk outside this guest bedroom, you will enter into the hallway again. And here is your study room right here. It's very spacious. Got the coat hanging jacket there. Lots of windows with natural lighting coming in. And you've got this beautiful kitchen, open kitchen right here where you can dine and see the whole family entertainment. Got very spacious pantry right here, and the granite countertops. Guys, they do have one floor plan that's available right now for you guys to move in, and the current price right now for this model, it's $599,620. That is backs up to the green belt. It's got the extended cover patio, built-in kitchen, and 8-foot doors on the main. So if you like this model, there is a floor plan exactly like this one that is on for sale. If you guys want to build the model like this one, they will not be releasing any lots until mid-June or July. So you would have to wait until then if you want to build your own custom features in this model. Here we go into a walk-in closet, a master bedroom closet, very spacious. You have the walking in and out shower, bathtub, 2 double sink in there. Nice big windows coming in the master for natural lighting. And when we go up here in the front, what I like about this home is that this right here has a special spot where you can do work or have the little ones work there, do homework, or just a neat spot right here that I really liked about this model. And towards right here you enter the laundry room. Again guys, if you're gonna be building a home, get some ideas on what you can have as finishes, what you can add as a upgrades. And if you're looking for some interior designing options, this is great to watch the model home tours. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button, as I'll be touring lots of model homes and talking about Austin, Texas, and also lots of tips about home buying and selling. And upstairs you will have the other 2 bedrooms. It's open to below floor plan with those high ceilings. And then we're going to be entering into a game room. Right here you can use it as an entertainment. This media room right here I like because it's got a little step up toward it and has its own private spot. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the other 2 bedrooms that this model has to offer. Here's the first one on the top floor. Again, not that small, very spacious. Love the little desk over there. Another great idea to have if you're thinking of upgrading or remodeling your homes. That closet up there in there, that small one, is an access to your attic. Extra linen. And here we come to our final 4th bedroom for this model. This one also, it's a nice spacious bedroom with its closet. Now, letting you all know, this model has the bedroom closet, but not any of them are walk-in closets, just to keep in that mind if you're looking for that extra storage. So there you go guys, this is a beautiful model home right here built by Coventry builders. If you guys are interested and need more information, please reach out to me. Thanks.